Langfoss is one of Norway's most stunning natural wonders. This gigantic waterfall is located in the western part of the country, overlooking the gorgeous Fjord, one of Norway's nicest fjords. Standing at an impressive 612 meters, or about 2,000 feet, it is the fifth tallest single-drop waterfall in Norway. Beyond its impressive height, Langfoss is also remarkably wide, stretching over 70 meters across. It is consistently ranked among the top waterfalls in the country, drawing visitors from all over the world, and it's easy to see why. Visiting Langfoss is simple, as it's conveniently located right alongside Highway E134. There's a free parking lot on each side of the road, right there by the waterfall. The southern parking lot also features a small shop where you can pick up souvenirs and snacks to enjoy during your visit. For those interested in diving deeper into Norway's natural history, be sure to check out the rock display located along the path beneath the shop. It is a fascinating exhibit that showcases the geological history of Norway. And if you're up for an adventure, Langfoss offers one of the most unforgettable hikes you'll ever experience. From the northern parking lot, there is a walking path leading all the way up to the waterfall. This route is not for beginners, as you'll be facing a steep 600-meter hike that takes on average 2.5 hours one way. But if you can handle it, then you're in for a treat, as the views of the waterfall and the scenic fjord are simply breathtaking. Just remember to always stay on the designated paths and wear appropriate footwear, as some areas can be rocky and slippery. Talking about logistics, Langfoss is best accessible by car. It is situated about halfway between the cities of Bergen and Stavanger, which will take you about 3 hours from each city. We took a drive from Stavanger and made a decision to stay at the nearby town of Edne before we went to visit the waterfall. If you prefer public transportation, finding a bus connection will not be a problem. Just note that you'll have to stop at Elijärvik and take a 2-kilometer walk from there. Langfoss is a pure natural masterpiece, and if you have a chance, I cannot recommend it enough to experience it firsthand.